Welcome back, celestial explorers, to our cosmic journey through the Zodiac. After basking in the nurturing embrace of Cancer, we now set our sights on the dazzling kingdom of Leo. Are you ready to step into the realm of the Lion, where the sun reigns supreme and every moment is a grand performance? Born between July 23rd and August 22nd, Leos are the radiant rulers of the Zodiac, lighting up our world with their fiery energy, boundless creativity, and a heart as big as the sun itself. So, dear celestial explorers, prepare to enter the kingdom of Leo, where every moment is a grand performance and life is a stage. Feel the warmth of the lion's heart as we embark on a journey filled with boldness, drama, and boundless energy. In this episode, we'll dive deep into the personality traits, strengths, and challenges of Leo, the Zodiac's boldest and most charismatic sign. Now, let's journey together into the heart of the lion's den. Leos are truly the stars of the show, and it's no wonder. They're ruled by the sun, the center of our solar system, and they bring that same central, radiant energy into everything they do. Let's start by exploring some of the key personality traits that make Leo the regal ruler of the Zodiac. First up is Leo's radiant charisma. Imagine the sun shining brightly in the sky, casting its warm light on everything it touches. That's the essence of Leo. Leos are natural-born performers, thriving in the spotlight and loving every moment of attention. Their charisma is magnetic, drawing people in and making them feel special. It's no surprise that Leos are often the life of the party, with a personality that lights up any room. Beneath their regal exterior, Leos possess a heart full of generosity. They love to give, whether it's their time, resources, or affection. When a Leo cares about someone, they do so with all their heart, often going out of their way to make their loved ones feel special. Leos are known for their willingness to help others. Just like the lion leads its pride, Leos are natural leaders, unafraid to take charge and face challenges head-on. Their confidence is unwavering, and they inspire those around them to be their best selves. When a Leo steps up to lead, you can be sure that they'll do so with courage, strength, and a touch of flair. Loyalty is another cornerstone of the Leo personality. Once a Leo forms a bond, whether it's with family, friends, or a romantic partner, they are fiercely protective and devoted. They'll stand by their loved ones through thick and thin, often becoming the rock that others lean on in times of need. For Leos, loyalty isn't just a word, it's a way of life. And let's not forget Leo's creative brilliance. Leos are bursting with ideas and a passion for self-expression. Whether it's through art, music, drama, or writing, they find joy in creating and sharing their talents with the world. Their creativity knows no bounds, and their innovative spirit often leads to groundbreaking work that leaves a lasting impact. But even the brightest stars have their shadows, and Leo is no exception. Let's take a moment to explore some of the challenges that Leos may face on their journey. While Leo's confidence is one of their greatest strengths, it can also be a double-edged sword. Pride and ego can sometimes get in the way, leading to stubbornness or an inflated sense of self. It's important for Leos to remember that true leadership includes humility and the ability to listen to others. Leos thrive on attention, but this can sometimes lead to a need for constant validation. When their efforts go unrecognized, they might feel undervalued or unappreciated. Finding a balance between self-assurance and the need for external approval is key to their personal growth. Leos' strong leadership skills can sometimes tip over into a tendency to dominate. Their desire to be in control can make them appear overbearing. Learning the value of collaboration and recognizing that leadership doesn't always mean taking the reins can help Leos grow into even more effective leaders. Leos love a good story, but sometimes their flair for drama can lead to overreactions. It's easy for them to blow situations out of proportion, which can create unnecessary tension. By learning to temper their dramatic tendencies and approach situations with a level head, Leos can navigate life's challenges more smoothly. Leos may need to work on balancing their self-expression with modesty. Their strong sense of identity can sometimes overshadow the contributions of others. Developing a sense of gratitude and acknowledging the support they receive can help Leos maintain strong and healthy relationships. Understanding these traits and challenges helps us appreciate the complexities of Leo's personality. It provides a clearer view of how they interact with the world and how their powerful presence shapes their relationships. Leos reminds us of all the importance of shining brightly, embracing our creativity, and leading with both courage and compassion. But our celestial journey doesn't stop here. As we leave the grand stage of Leo, we prepare to enter a realm of precision, intellect, and meticulous detail. Next week, our adventure continues as we explore the intricate tapestry of Virgo. Get ready to dive into the world of the analytical and thoughtful Virgo, where order meets intuition and every detail matters. Virgo, the healer of the Zodiac, awaits with a heart full of wisdom and a mind sharp as a blade. So, dear celestial explorers, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next exciting chapter. The stars are calling, and Virgo's realm of wisdom and precision is just around the corner. See you there.